Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the viral Lazy Momos recipe. If you have been seeing these viral Lazy Momos all over the social media, today I will show you how to make them at home. No folding, no complicated steps, just soft, juicy and super tasty momos that anyone can make at home. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And that's it, our viral Lazy Momos are ready to serve. Enjoy them hot with a spicy momos chutney. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next recipe. Till then, bye.